Hey friends, I hope you're having a good day today. So today I'm so excited. I am going to do a rose themed video. I have 3 different things that I'm gonna do. First, I'm going to do a style in my hair. I'm gonna start with using John Masters Organics Rose and Apricot hair milk. So this has got rose in it. I am going to do a pixie cut style and use a really pretty rose clip on the side of my head. I'm gonna actually start out with the feature of this video. This is so exciting. So I wanna first say thank you so much to Rose Forever for sponsoring this video. I have something really, really cool to show you guys. I have never ever seen anything like this before, and I'm so impressed with this. So this is Rose Forever. Rose Forever is a New York-based rose brand. It was launched in 2019. It specializes in designing luxurious flower bouquets with hand-picked exquisite roses that last for a year. Can you believe that? A year. If you have gotten a bouquet before, you know that they only last about a week. Sometimes you can stretch them to 2 weeks, but these actually last a year. So how does that work? They actually use natural oils to preserve the roses, and the bouquets are handcrafted by professional rose artisans. Their roses come in round and square-shaped velvet boxes. So this is the round box, and they come in 3 different sizes, 9, 16, or 36 roses per box. So they are perfect whether a partisan style chic house decor or as a special event gift. The other thing is they come in a lot of different shades, and they just don't stop at the standard colors. They actually have darker roses available, like black and gray. That sounds so cool. I've never seen a gray rose. And they also have other special shades like golden and silver. And those colors are created through the natural process of pigmentation to keep the rich, intense shade. Rose Forever sent me this box, and I'm gonna open this up here. Look at that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. This is 9 roses, and I got the white roses. I have to tell you, the smell is just amazing. It's just a deep, rich smell. It smells better than just if you went and clipped a rose off of the rose bush. It's just beautiful, and I'm really not sure how I'm gonna display this, but I am gonna display it somewhere. I'm thinking I'm gonna be working on decorating the back wall of my bathroom, and I was thinking this would be really pretty in a little shelf back there. So you will probably see these in future videos. They last a year, so you can have them out on a little table for a year. I am super impressed with this. I guess because it's like a year-long thing that you get to enjoy. You know, some people are like, oh, I don't really like flowers because they just become dead after 2 weeks. Well, I personally love getting flowers, and I love getting roses, and I love the fact that we can display these and they won't go bad. So, thank you, Rose Forever. Before I move on to work on my hair, I did want to say that Rose Forever sent me a special discount code for you all to enjoy, and it is valid for 30 days once we watch this video. So this will be valid until July 20th, 2021 if you're watching this after the fact. You can click on the link in the description of this video, and the discount code is SageDawn15, and that's capital S, capital D 15. So if you are thinking about ordering some of those roses, make sure you check out the description box so you can get $15 off. And I will move on to styling my pixie. Okay, I don't know if you noticed, but I just put them in my little windowsill back there. I'm going to enjoy those roses. All right, I am going to use this John Masters Organics, and it is hair milk, and I'll read the back to you guys. It's a lightweight leave-in milk, and it nourishes and hydrates hair with nutrient-rich oils and extracts. It may be used as a light hold styling product or just to moisturize, defrizz, and add shine. Perfect for dry, dull hair. It's also made with certified organic ingredients, clean, sustainable, and cruelty-free, safe for color-treated hair. So the directions is apply to towel dry hair or after blow drying. It's interesting after blow drying, so you can put this on dry hair as well. So I did my makeup this morning after my shower. My hair is still a little bit damp. It's not very wet. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this on, but I've gotta open this up here. I did get this one from Amazon, and I'm gonna put a little bit. As you know, if you have short hair, you don't need a lot. Oh my goodness. It definitely smells like roses, but with that kind of tangy apricot smell. It feels kind of like a very light lotion. I'm just gonna rub this through my hair. All right, so my plan for the style is I'm gonna use two tools. I'm going to use a blow dryer and I'm gonna get my hair dry. And then after I use the blow dryer, I'm going to use one of my new tools. I've had this for about 3 or 4 months. This is the Callista Faux Blow Thermal Hairbrush. And it doesn't blow hair, it's a faux blowout, but it's great for putting really not distinct curls, but really diffuse curls in your hair. Really light combed out curls. This is a great tool for pixie cuts. My guess is you could use this tool for any length of hair. I jump at the chance to get to use this every now and then. Okay, here goes. I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I don't know about you guys, but it has been hot where I live. I actually work with a lot of people that live in the UK, and they've been telling me that there's been kind of like a heat wave going on in the UK. I think what's awful in the UK is people don't have air conditioning. So it sounds like most of the year is okay for you guys, but I can see my coworkers struggling, you know, working inside all day on a computer. Oh, that could get really annoying. So hang in there if you don't have air conditioning and hope it cools off soon for you guys. We have been getting lots of sun lately. My son has been coming home on the weekends and we've been doing all sorts of stuff like going to the lake. We have a rec center, like it's like 1 minute from our house, and there's golf courses and tennis courts, and they have pickleball courts. And we actually have been getting so into pickleball and played it the last like 2 weekends in a row. We ordered some new rackets and balls and nobody's ever there. We just go and play whenever we want, and it's just been so fun and hot. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start using this faux blow. Before I get started on this, by the way, we have to figure out the best place to put this. And when I was playing around with this yesterday, I really liked it kind of lower on my head. It's such a big rose, maybe something like this, since my hair's going this way. So let's give this a try. I'm just gonna do a quick comb out. By the way, my hair is quickly growing some more. When I first got my haircut, I feel like it's grown like at least 1/4 to 1/2 inch already. So it might be time to get another haircut on the books for me. My problem is I don't have a stylist right now. The last haircut I got, I just went into a random salon. It's about an hour from my house when I was in a city. I just went into some random place and said, do you have any openings? And they fit me in. So one of my goals is to find a new stylist, because my stylist that I used to use has really gone to just doing weddings. And so I have a couple salons in mind. So I'm gonna be calling around and hopefully can get some appointments on the books. All right, here goes. I'm gonna take this. Now, if you haven't seen me use this before, what I do for my hair is I just keep twirling it around and around. And it puts really just relaxed curls in. I have to tell you, my hair is super, super soft, and I think it's from this hair milk. Very, very soft, which is kind of different than I usually feel because I've been using like sea salt spray and texturizing type of products, which does not leave your hair soft. It kind of leaves your hair kind of like, not sticky feeling, but very textured feeling. It's a very nice feeling, this soft hair. I'm kind of liking this. I don't think I want to do many more curls. So right now I'm gonna just be using my fingers, trying to get into style. I might actually need to put a little bit more product on my hair. Kind of depends on if you want it super styled. Let's just do a quick test to see how this bow is gonna look. Maybe 1 or 2 more curls here. I also definitely want bangs today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a little bit of product on so that I could get more of a distinct style. Hold on. Going back to my current favorite, this is Kenra Platinum Whipped Taffy number 20. I'm not gonna put a whole lot on. I just want a little bit so that I can play with my hair to get more of a style. I'm gonna put about that much on. Looking for a lot of volume. All right, let's try this now. What do you think? I think it's adorable. I've never worn a rose in my hair before, but I think it would be pretty like if you were doing something summery, or obviously it's a dress up thing. Like maybe you could wear it to a wedding or a fancy dinner, or do we really need an excuse to do ourselves up? I guess we don't. So if you just feel like you want to have a flower in your hair, and of course it just really goes along with my theme today, which is rose. I don't know about you, but I have lots of good memories of when I was growing up and my aunt had a rose garden, and she had like, I would say maybe 20 or 30 different rose bushes, and they were always blooming, beautiful. I have such wonderful memories of her and her roses. And yeah, it's just something that reminds me of summer and reminds me of good times. And of course the smell is amazing. All right, I think I'm gonna do a real quick spray of this before we say goodbye. This is just called Aquage, and it's a finishing spray. All right, and let me show you the back. I really think my next haircut is going to take off most of the remaining blonde, because my blonde probably only has about a ½ inch of blonde left out of all this. So I really feel like when I get my next haircut, it's gonna be mostly gone. We'll cross my fingers. I hope it looks okay. I'm sure it will. I have been enjoying the brown color coming in. I've really been enjoying it, and I've been enjoying having two-toned hair right now, but it's nice kind of getting back to my natural color, I have to say. Thank you for all of your encouragement. I get lots of encouragement about my whole hair grow up process. So if you're going through the same thing, hang in there. We're almost there. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you. And I'm going to make one plug. I am gathering pictures of all my subscribers who want to have their photo featured in one of my videos. When I get enough pictures, I will put them all together so you can see your fellow subscribers and their pixie cuts or other cuts. You don't have to have a pixie cut to send me a picture. I love looking at all of them. I have about 8 or 9 so far, getting a few each week. So please send me your picture if you don't mind me featuring it on a video. If you want to send me your picture and don't want it featured on a video, please mention that in your email. And I just have been enjoying getting all of your lovely pictures and reading all your lovely comments on all of my videos. So I really appreciate you guys. Love you guys. You are the best. And I will see you next week. Bye.